Now let us discuss 113. Which of the following is a cationic detergent among the four options? You know that cationic detergents are quaternary ammonium salts of amines with acetate, chlorides, or bromides. Bromides as anions. We know that cationic detergents means which containing the quaternary ammonium salts of amines with acetate, chlorides, and bromides as anions. We know that cations are long chain hydrocarbons which is having the positive charge on nitrogen. Among the given options, option 3 satisfies the condition 1 and condition 2. Now let us see its molecular formula. C19H42 N plus Br minus. Here option 3 satisfies the condition 1 and 2. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer.